This beautiful hobby farm is mostly all in pasture. It has 12.4 acres, ponds, outbuildings and a 3-bedroom 2-bath home. Priced at $129,900, this farm has everything you need to get started. The home has wood siding, new windows and a covered front porch. It also has an established garden complete with flower beds, cherry, plum and peach trees plus blackberries and blueberries. The ranch-style home has approximately 1,680 square feet of living space, a composition roof and sits on a block foundation. This is one of the 2 stocked ponds on the property. This is the second pond on the property. The land is fenced and cross-fenced with 4-strand barbed wire and is able to support 10 to 12 head of cattle per year. The property includes several outbuildings including a 23 by 40 shop with concrete and electric, 12 by 23 open calf shed, loafing shed, garden shed and 3-car garage. This is the 3-bay loafing shed with plenty of space for several head of cattle or store your farm equipment in here. In addition to the previous outbuildings, the property also has a 2-room chicken house with concrete floor. The living room is spacious and includes laminate hardwood flooring, ceiling fan and neutral color on the walls. It also has crown molding. In addition to the living room, you also have a family room with fireplace, wood insert pellet stove, ceiling fan, carpet flooring and lots of windows. The kitchen includes oak cabinets, electric range, exhaust fan and dishwasher. The floor is laminate. The dining area is beside the kitchen and includes vinyl flooring and a ceiling fan. The door on the right leads to a large room that has a lot of shelving for storage plus space for your freezer. The master bedroom includes a ceiling fan, carpet flooring and 2 windows. It also has a bathroom with corner tub and shower. In addition to the master bath, there is also a second bathroom in the house with a tub and shower combo. Bedroom 2 and 3 are similar in size and also include carpet flooring.